Is there like ever a moment in time where you just wanted to give up, whether that be on your job or like building Easton University, building your business? Because I know there's been a lot of times where I just wanted to give up.
Yeah.
Like doing my homework, I'm done.
Talk to me about the times you've wanted to give up.
Well, usually like I'm doing my homework, it's like so repetitive, and I just don't want to do it. Like I just want to give up.
I get it. And I don't want to make the school system sound bad, but that's always been like that. And that maybe put school off in its own box. You just got to
Yeah,
do it. There's not a lot of fun at the end of that. Have you ever not wanted to go to hockey practice?
a lot actually. Yeah.
Have you ever come home from hockey practice happier than when you went to hockey practice?
Yeah, I'm like more, even if I don't want to go at the first place, I'm always like more fulfilled
Why do you
once
think
I
that
actually
is?
do it. Cause like I think maybe because I actually did something instead of like sitting on my phone or sitting on my computer or whatever. I actually went out and did something productive and good.
Yeah. Isn't that weird how your brain tricks you?
Yeah.
Like your brain is like, I don't want to do this. I don't want to call this person. I don't want to go to work today. And it's like when with jujitsu with me, I never wanted to go to jujitsu. I'm like, I have to use this general area of my body to make a living. And like, I've had plenty of black eyes, plenty of, you know, cuts and all kinds of, how many times have I come home and mom's like, your head is freaking bleeding,
Yeah.
right?
All the time.
Oh, I didn't want to do it, but it's the times that I didn't want to do it. I'm not saying every time, but more than 50% of the time when I did something, I felt better from doing it. And I think you have to just kind of fight through that. There's only one thing in my entire life that I have never been like, I don't want to do this. I don't want to. It just sucks. I want to quit. I'm going to give you, I'm wondering if you can guess what that is. There's only one thing I've never wanted to quit.
Um, I don't know. That's actually really hard. Um, I don't know.
I'll give you a clue. Her initials are
I know.
HE.
My mom.
Your mom, right? That's where kind of like life is pretty cool. Like if you can find somebody where you're like, no matter what, you're like, man, I want to go out with them. I want to spend time with them. That's the only thing ever that I didn't want to quit. Everything else I've wanted to quit. And the higher the pressure is and the higher the stakes are, like Easton University, at least once a day, I'm like, this is so damn hard, right? And like
Yeah.
everybody's going to the beach on a Sunday and I'm sitting there trying to figure out how to make people's lives better on my lives on Monday. I want to quit every single day. Other than your mom, jiu-jitsu, Easton University, all my jobs, every sport I've ever done. I have, thrown many a skateboard when I was a kid in the bushes, and went right back and got it later. That's just a part of life. And what's really cool is I think that's the way God or the universe kind of designed this stuff is it's like, I'm not going to make this easy for you, right? Because if you don't have the lows, you can't have the highs. And I'm not saying having a relationship, there's not lows. I'm just saying with true love, that's kind of the only thing you don't want to quit. Everything else, hockey, your career, you're gonna want to quit that, and you just have to kind of like when that little voice, when that little inner bitch shows up, you just got to kind of be like, I'm going.
Yeah.
And I think one of the easiest things, and I think that's where hockey helps you, is it's like I've got a team. I have to be there. I have to do this. I can't let people down. And I think that's where a lot of people aren't cut out to own their own business is with your job. Like when you do have a big job, you're like, well, if I don't show up today, I'm going to get fired. And I think that's why a lot of people either never start a business or quit a business because there is no, if you own the company, nobody's going to fire you. Nobody's going to know if you don't show up that day.
Yeah.
You just have to have built up that muscle of like, I'll quit tomorrow, but not today. And then every day it's like, well, I'll quit tomorrow, but not today. And then the next thing you know, you've got your black belt or you've got a business that's profitable or whatever it is, just quit tomorrow. But I think most people never build that up in their life, that autonomous way of being like, I'm not going to quit right now. And that's why they quit everything else.
Yeah.